If you ever explored terminal coding, you've probably heard of the classic debate, Vim versus Neovim versus Emacs. All three are powerful editors, but they serve very different types of developers. Let's break it down. So Vim is the legendary modal text editor known for speed, keyboard-driven editing, and stability. It's lightweight and comes pre-installed on most Linux systems. Some of its pros, extremely fast and lightweight, available on almost every system, and powerful keyboard-based editing. However, it has a hard learning curve and limited modern features without plugins. It's best for developers who want a reliable, minimal terminal editor. Neovim is a modern fork of Vim designed for better plugins, scripting, and developer workflows. It supports Lua configuration and has a massive ecosystem of modern IDE-like plugins. Some of its pros: modern plugin ecosystem, better performance and extensibility, and strong community and development. However, it requires setup and configuration, and it can become complex with many plugins. It's best for developers who want Vim speed with modern customization. Emacs, on the other hand, is more than an editor. It's basically a complete computing environment. You can manage files, email, coding, and even run apps inside it. Some of its pros: it's extremely customizable with Lisp scripting, massive ecosystem of extensions, and it can function like a full IDE. However, it's heavier and slower than Vim-based editors, and it has a steep learning curve. It's best for developers who want a fully customizable coding environment. So which one is better? Vim is best for simplicity and speed. Neovim is best for modern plugins and customization, and Emacs is best for an all-in-one programmable environment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.